Hey everyone, we're always out and about across Delmarva, Delaware beaches, Maryland beaches, always finding some cool different places, whether it be good food, craft beers, cool trails to check out. This one may be one of my favorite stops of all time.
It is. We are at the Salisbury House, a bed and breakfast right outside Bethany Beach, an absolutely beautiful location. You're going to want to see the inside and the back of this house.
I'm just ready to eat. I'm looking forward to that.
That too.
Check it out.
So now we are inside the Salisbury House bed and breakfast. I'm with the owner, Michele, and she just cooked an amazing breakfast. Thank you, it's delicious. But tell me about your property. It's beautiful.
Thank you. We're located 2 miles from Bethany. I designed the house, and my husband built it about 3 years ago. It's an open floor plan because we like to entertain. We're on 3.5 acres, so we're very secluded. We have a beautiful pool,
Yes.
gardens. It's a great place to relax from the busyness of Bethany.
And what can guests expect out of the bed and breakfast?
Well, we have 3 rooms to rent,
Okay.
and with every stay you get a full vegan gourmet meal
It's delicious.
every morning. Yes, and you can use the pool.
Well, we can't wait to show you the back of the house with the pool and the beautiful outdoor retreat. So take a step in. So we are now outside in the courtyard, this beautiful, quiet retreat. You've got a pool here. Tell us a little bit more about this space.
Well, we designed it after a Tuscan villa, so we have this beautiful courtyard you can use all year round, and then the pool is heated at 85 degrees from April till October.
Amazing. Well, these cooking demos are going to sell out quickly. I know that. So register on BaysideInstitute.com.